Hey everyone, just going to do a quick walkthrough the VG Jet here. We've got a week and a half till D-Day. We've still got cars we need to get on the road to get to Chryslers and Murray. We've got Frankencharger has made it. VG Jet is our biggest priority at the moment. Hopefully the transmission arrives by Monday, which is tomorrow. And we get some axles next week, and if the transmission arrives we can pop that in and measure the tail shaft, take that down to GJ Drivelines and get them to make a tail shaft, connect it to the independent rear. Then Shane's just got, some oil lines to run, some fuel lines to run, some brake lines to run. The rest of the interior's got to go in. Nothing like the last minute. It will make it. It won't be finished. It'll be about 90% there. So you can come up to Chryslers on the Murray and check out this beast, the VG Jet, which hopefully finally all the missing pieces will arrive by Monday, and you can check out the independent rear. This is the other one that needs to be ready for Chryslers on the Murray. As I said, it's Sunday. We're leaving not next Thursday, but the Thursday after to head up there. Why is this on the hoist? Well, you're going to have to watch a video later on that we'll upload onto YouTube as to why this is on the hoist. But it has had a full motor rebuild, which I've done, in my spare time. And we've got Shane, who is now fitting up some drain pipe, making some drain pipe to fit to the new pacemaker extractors. Now, while I'm on the subject of pacemaker extractors, while we're up in Chryslers on the Murray, the very nice people at Pacemaker have sending up examples of all their Chrysler headers with us. And if you purchase the headers from us up there, for Chryslers on the Murray, they are offering a 10% discount with $50 drop shipping anywhere in Australia.
Yep.
So head on over to the tent, check out some extractors, and you can put an order in with us. Now, Shane, why are you putting drain pipe underneath my car?
Well, the reason why we're putting drain pipe under your car is because when the last time we did a dyno run on the car, we realised the cubic capacity of the engine, the horsepower it was making, the exhaust is a little bit small. So 2.5 inch is okay for an engine that's 360 cubes. It's making, say, 350, 360 horsepower. But this engine is a bit bigger, and unfortunately we needed to upgrade the exhaust. So that's the reason why we're going to 3 inch. But also too, GJ Drivelines, as you can see what we've got here, this is a GJ Drivelines. You can spin it around. There you go. GJ Drivelines are going to be doing a bit of a display for their tail shafts as well. Now, we've been using GJ Drivelines for about 30 years now, so they always do a quality shaft. Never had a issue with their shafts other than stuff that's broken that's caused the tail shaft to fail. But otherwise, they're a fantastic shaft, and you get it done once and it's done for life.
So up there we're going to have some examples of their aluminium tail shaft and their carbon fibre tail shaft, so you can come up and check that out. Now, there was nothing wrong with the 2.5 inch system that I had on this Chrysler by Chrysler, and it will be going up on Facebook Marketplace when I get a second for sale cheap. So it'll be a 2.5 inch manual bent stainless steel system with ceramic coated pacemaker headers and mufflers all the way to the back to suit Chrysler by Chrysler. Of course, you just need to shorten it a bit to suit other Valiants.
Well, yeah, if you want to put it on a, say as an example, a sedan, normal sedan, Chrysler sedan, all you have to do is take 4 inches out of the centre area here, and it'll fit your car. Also, too, obviously, Chrysler by Chrysler is a little bit longer, so you'll need to cut a little bit off the tailpipes to fit a normal sedan.
But that'll all be going up later. So other stuff that we've got going on, we're also, if we go over here, nothing like leaving everything to the last minute, but we've just gotten in a stock of t-shirts that we'll have up there to sell. I've gotten a whole heap of them in, limited amount of colours, but I have been more generous on the sizes. So now we're going from your small sizes to big sizes, all the way up to 5XL, limited number of them for you more cuddly people. So come on over if you want to grab yourself a t-shirt. Of course, if we don't have your size or colour, you can head on over to our merchandise page and just order it, and it will be shipped out to you. Also, we'll have a whole heap of stickers and key rings, so come on over, say hello, check out some of the gear, and hopefully you all have a nice safe trip up there and we get to see you. That's enough from me. I've got to get back to work. No rest for the wicked. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click like and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe and click the notification bell so that it lets you know when we've popped up a new video. And if you reckon the merch that the crew at Valigrunt's wearing is pretty cool and would like to get some for yourself, then click on the link in the description. See you next time.